Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. In today's video, I am working on a 10-inch round canvas and I've got it on my spinner. Also have my mini blower that I'm going to be using. And real quick, I've had a lot of questions about how I keep my canvas from flying off my spinner, and I use round silicone mats. I have, here's one. They come already cut and they fit on the spinner perfectly. I get them from Amazon, and you can get like, I don't know, 2 of them for $10. I don't know, something like that. I do have a link to those in my description if you're interested. But you still can't like really spin it, you know, crazy. Everything's gonna fly off still unless you like glue it down. So this just helps from normal, normal spinning to keep everything in place. So just a little FYI for you guys that are interested or curious. And what I'm doing, I did a short, I don't know, last week or 2 weeks ago, same technique. I put my colors down and then I just kind of blew out in a spiral. And you can kind of see how it works here. Turned out really, really cool. So I'm going to do it again. I've got some fall colors that I'm going to be using. And so let me go over those really, really quick. I've got Soho Alizarin Crimson, which is my favorite red to use. I've also got from Liquitex Basics Crimson Red Light Hue. I've got from FolkArt, it's Color Shift Yellow Flash. And then this one, I'm hoping it's going to show up when it's dry. It is DecoArt Enchanted Shimmer Green. So for those of you that don't know about the Enchanted line of paints from DecoArt, they're like an interference paint, and they all look white, but when they dry the color that it says on the bottle. So I have done several videos where I've used those Enchanted and the Enchanted Shimmer, and they're beautiful. They dry just amazing. So I'm gonna see how that one works out in this video, and fingers crossed. Let me get my gloves on and then we can go ahead and get started. And the paints that I'm using have all been mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And most of them are mixed 1 part paint to 2.5-ish parts pouring medium. The Enchanted Shimmer is different. That is a 1-to-1 ratio for that. And I've got, I think, a mixing video also for the shimmers. So you can check that out as well. So I'm just going to go ahead, well, really quick on the mini blower, I'm using my middle-sized nozzle for that. I use that one most of the time. It just concentrates the air more. You would think that the bigger one does. It has a bigger end, but this one just concentrates it, and it works really, really good. So with all that being said, I'm just going to jump in and get started here and just start putting the paint on, kind of just like this in a circle all the way around. Oops, knocking stuff over. I'm going to try keep it close to touching, not overlapping, but when it gets spun, it's going to spread out nicely anyway. I just want to go around there, get that edge covered. I may add some more red though. We'll see, because there's a lot of yellow. Trying to keep my lines as best as possible. This is just kind of to help the outside. And I am going to put a little bit more. Let me go with the green, and then I'll see about adding some more red here. Okay. I think I'm going to add let me see. Yeah, I think I'm going to fill this in right here. A little bit more red. And, okay. All right, so you can see that that green is really white. Well, it's, never mind, don't even include that. All right, guys, so now I've got my canvas pretty much covered. There's some little dry areas, but once I blow it, those will get covered, and then I'll give it a little bit of a spin also at the end. But here we go. Cells developing, and they may continue to develop a little bit. I didn't use any silicone or any cell activator in here. This is just the paint densities working its magic. So I am very interested to see if these white areas turn green. Now it's going to be a subtle green, so when you kind of tilt it, you'll see, like, kind of in this area I can see it a little bit. But when it's dry, we should definitely see it a little bit more. All right, guys, stick around till the end to see the dried results. Everybody, here we go with the dried results, and I love it. It dried amazing. These colors are so nice and vibrant, very fall-like colors. I love the cells that develop naturally, very, very cool. And that DecoArt Enchanted green, the Enchanted Shimmer green, it's very, very subtle depending on the light. It's very subtle green, adds just a hint of shimmer to it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if there's someone you think may enjoy it, go ahead and share it with them. And the colors I chose for the video today are part of my monthly contest over on my Facebook group, which is called Acrylic Pouring with Friends, which happens to be the same name as my YouTube channel. Oh, and there's prizes too, so don't forget to go check it out. And make sure to head on over to acrylicpouringtools.com for all of your acrylic pouring tool needs. I do hope you guys enjoyed my video today. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I've got a bunch more videos I know you will enjoy as well. And I will catch you in the next one.